Welcome guys, so today I am with the Jabra Elite 3 and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. Okay, so at first you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. On the back of the charging case you will find the USB-C input. Of course you have to also remember to remove this foil from this magnetic part. And after that you will be able to charge them by inputting to the case. And when you make it, all you have to do is just remove them from the case, and when you make it, as you can see, this green indicator will blink. Let me show you one more time. It will blink like that and 2 times, and after that, when they are activated, you have to click and hold both buttons until this indicator start blinking on the blue like that. Let me just catch focus. As you can see, it's blinking the left and the right one. So what we have to do right now, just put them back, don't put them to the case. Open the Bluetooth on your Android smartphone, select to pair new device, and I'm going to show you 2 ways how to pair them. So as you can see, we can pair them by using this Bluetooth settings, and we have to pick the Jabra Elite 3, the green one, accept the pairing request, now just wait a little bit. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And when you tap on the settings gear icon, you can enable the HD audio from the Qualcomm. It's aptX audio codec, and also phone calls, media audio, and also the contact sharing. So that was the first way how to connect them to your Android phone. The second one is with the Jabra Sound Plus application. So on your Android, you have to go for the Play Store or App Gallery if you are using the Huawei smartphones. Tap on the search pool, type Jabra, and get this Jabra Sound application. When the download will be finished, you can just simply open the application by tapping on the Open button. And as you can see, here we are in the application, and we can skip the first setup. As you can see, when we connect them by using the standard Bluetooth settings, we will be already right here. So I'm gonna show you how to connect them separate with the application. So let me just get rid of them right here. Okay, I guess I have to just turn them off from the Bluetooth settings. So I'm gonna disconnect and forget the device. So if your case it's not working like in mine, so they are not automatically connected to the application. So what you have to do, just click and hold these buttons one more time. Click and hold until this indicator turns to the blue. Yeah, just like that. As you can see, it's blinking right now. And the next step, you have to click to pair new Jabra, and you have to select your headset. If it not appears right here, you can just click to Jabra, it's not on the list, and you can find them right here. But in my case, everything is fine, so I'm going to the Jabra Elite 3. That's the pairing instruction. We have to go to the Bluetooth settings. You have to pair them right here. Select the green one, accept the pairing request. And right now, when you go back for the application, as you can see, we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's how it looks. As you can see, that's very simple. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.